Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with medium length hair. Looks like she might be getting a bob haircut here. Ooh, beautiful layered bob style. So cute. And I love the fact that she can play around with the placement. And then we hop right into this mini bob haircut. Now, if you are looking to go shorter and you don't know if you want to go with a pixie or a bob, I feel like this mini bob cut is a perfect in-between style. It offers you a lot of length that you can still play around with. So chic and fun. And then here we have a color change on this bob. So one of the hottest hair color trends, as you guys know, for the summer season, or all of 2024 really, has definitely been red hair. Oh, this is smoking. I love this hue against her complexion. It is just the perfect match. So here we have someone else getting a bob haircut. Bangs to frame out the face. Oh, she's going even shorter with like a bixie style. So much like the mini bob, the bixie is a great in-between cut of a pixie and a traditional style bob. So, oh, look at this beautiful ginger color. So pretty. And then we have an undercut style. She's got a really cute copper ginger tone going up there at the top. And then, of course, the undercut style underneath. I love the overall shape of this. Very cute. A lot of volume within this cut as well. So here we have someone with shoulder length hair. She's got some beautiful thick wavy hair here. Stylist grabs those scissors, cutting the hair right off. There is the before and there is the after. Absolutely beautiful bob. I love the fact that she still has this beautiful texture to her strands. She can do a nice wash and go with this look too. Very cute. So next up we have, like I said, one of the hottest hair colors that we've been seeing in 2024, and that is of course red hair. Now this red is definitely not for the ones that want to not grab attention. This color is going to make you stop and stare. It is a very bold, intense red hue. And it looks like she's also getting a very nice pixie bob for the cut. Next up, we have this really chic layered haircuts. Layered hairstyles are another hot look that you can do this summer season. So first, the stylist is going to be coloring the hair. And she kind of did get like an ombre color for this transformation, which is another hot trend. So she really showcases a couple of trends here with the ombre and then the layered look. Very pretty. And layered hairstyles, of course, give you lots of volume. So is it a great way to shake things up if you're looking to add some shape to your hair? So here we have someone, it looks like she's in the shop for a cut refresh maybe. Oh, so the stylist goes much shorter with more of like a bob. Bangs in the front. Look at those bangs. So he's kind of doing like a French girl style bob here. This was trending last year. We saw it quite frequently, and it looks like 2024 is no different. Oh, this is so cute. Such a gorgeous haircut.